All right, guys, it's day 2. Today we're gonna do this side. He's gonna do this side. I'm gonna do the roof and the back. All right.
Not to the top, not to the top, buddy. Always down. Because if you point it up, it might poke your eye if it gets loose. So always down. There you go, you got it. There you go. Good job. All the way. Good. Now put that one, don't lose that one. Put that one right there. Okay, so now with this one, you're going to go in and take off those screws that are right here. Right there, 1 and 2. Okay, so now put that thing down. Now the light, you're just gonna grab it, wiggle it, and it's gonna come off. Harder, harder, there you go. Now that cable, grab it, not from the cable, from the plastic. And then that thing with that hand, you're gonna press that right there. And it's gonna be hard, but take it off. Okay, so now you're gonna go and put it inside and you're gonna go and get started on the other one.
Hey, the guy just brought us a motorcycle fuel tank. Where do you want to put it?
I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller, but it's a good size. Let's just go
it's pretty big.
put it inside for right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for day 2. What we did is we started some of the taping, we're done with the sanding, we're done with the body work. It's getting kind of dark, so we're gonna call it a day. But if you guys need anything done, you guys know where to contact us. Other than that, thank you for the support, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.